Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to install and set up Quotex investment broker account. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Hi guys, so first of all you just have to visit the Quotex website. So go to the official Quotex website and click on the open account or sign up button to begin the registration process, and then just complete the registration form. Fill out the required personal and contact information on the registration form, including your name, email address and phone number. You may also need to provide proof of identity and address. Choose your account type. Quotex offers different account types such as a standard trading account or a professional account. Review the features and requirements of each option. So select the one that best suits your investment goals and experience level, and then just fund your account. After your account is set up, you need to deposit funds to start trading. Quotex supports various payment methods, and then just download the trading platform. Quotex provides a user-friendly trading platform that you can download and install on your computer or mobile device after you have registered for an account. So this is how you do it, guys. If you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.